So for this next step now, we're about to put the pad drivers on. You're going to need 2 wrenches, a torque wrench and another wrench, so that you can lock them up against each other to stop them from spinning around. To start with, just take your pad driver, slip a bolt through, and put some more blue Loctite onto these guys. When you put them in place, make sure that they're well seated, they're not going anywhere. And then you can just tighten that up. We'll come back to it and torque it down. Do the same thing for the other 7 pad drivers. And the most important thing at this point is to make sure that when you've got one that way, you're not putting it on this way and having it sit out from it. Make sure that it's seated right with the tongue and groove. Okay, now we can tighten them down just with a standard ratchet. Now that you've got them all tightened down, what you want to do is set them to a good torque specification. And for that, with these bolts, you want approximately 25 foot-pounds of torque on them. Now, of course, if you only do this with one wrench, it's just going to spin on you. So what you want to do, set it on the one you're going to be putting it on. Take your other wrench, slip it through, get it on one of the heads that's rotating in the opposite direction. And then, with the shaft across, it'll bind up here, and you're able to press. So you've got the 4 outside ones done. Now it's time to do the 4 inside. And there you go. Now they're all torqued up. You're ready to put on your skirt, tooling, and get back to work.